Hello and welcome to E-Prime, I'm Deidran. Get your napkins out! Jamaica's flavoursome food and drink festival is set to spread its table right here in Kingston this October. E-Prime was at the Victoria Pier for the launch last night, where festival director Alicia Bogues laid out the delights they have in store.
So we kick off on Saturday, October 21 with our Copperwood Pork Palooza, and that's actually a really fun event because it has a competition element. As patrons come in, they receive a token and they're encouraged to taste from everybody and then vote for the top hog. That's going to happen at Hope Gardens, and then we head into the following week. So October 25th, we have a new event called Chopsticks, which is actually an Asian twist. We've seen where Asian food has played such a tremendous role in shaping Jamaican cuisine, and so we felt it was important to include them on the lineup. And then we bring back Favorite Crisp, which is all things fried, fair and bare, and we have Vintage, which is a plated dinner. Select Brands goes really far and wide to bring in like specific wines to pair with the chefs, and this year we have Liz Heron and Cynthia Hudson, which is really phenomenal. But each event, there's something for everyone. I mean, we return to downtown waterfront with Meat Street and the Market, which is going to be food trucks and street food scene, as well as smaller purveyors, with jams, with peanut brittles, with you name it, anything Jamaican. So, it's a great lineup. There's something for everybody. And, each year we grow and we include more people. And we've seen the real takeoff in the culinary world with chefs, with restaurants. I mean, there's a new spot popping up all the time, and, we're happy to be a part of that.
With much to look forward to, this year's menu will consist of culinary creations from over 45 local and international chefs, topped off with performances from some of Jamaica's best entertainers. The much anticipated event will kick off on October 25 and will run through to the 29th. The Jamaica Food and Drink Festival will form part of the commemoration activities celebrating Kingston's 145th anniversary as the nation's capital. In other news, Trinidadian soca superstar Bunji Garlin has earned himself the highest album charting yet of his 17-year career, as his recent release Turn Up has entered this week's Billboard Reggae album chart at an impressive number 3. This is a step up from the 2014 EP Carnival to Banco. Bunji, along with his wife, soca queen Fayan Lyons, Michelle Montano and more, will be featured acts on the Carnival Kingdom live concert in Miami, Florida on October 6, after which he will likely be making a stopover at the Miami Broward Carnival on October 8. In addition to being a friend of the Jamaican soca scene, Bunji is best known for his live performances and soca chart toppers like Differentology and Truck on the Road. On the international scene, he's had enough. Hollywood's superstar actor Liam Neeson believes he's now too old to play the role of an action hero regardless of the bountiful offers he keeps receiving. The 65-year-old actor has decided to turn in his cape for more heartfelt and dramatic roles in an attempt to diversify his portfolio and perhaps capture new audiences. The Irish native is best known for starring in films like Taken Franchise and Run All Night, along with almost a dozen other beloved films, and has had great success at the box office. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.